Hi there and welcome back, my family. This is FX Major, your mentor, the only doctor that focuses on changing people's lives and the only trader that pierces through the market. And again, if you are new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment on the comment section below on what you think on certain videos or certain strategies or analysis which we are going to make in a daily. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, guys, and be part of our winning family, or rather a winning team. This is FX Major Mentor. This is actually an update on our analyzed NASDAQ trade, which we actually analyzed on the video which we've just uploaded recently. So be sure to watch our video on how we actually managed to see this sell trade, this beautiful sell trade to the downside. And this is what we're currently holding on NAS 100. This is currently what we are holding, and this is what we actually predicted on NAS 100. And I actually predicted that it will actually come to this point here before shooting to the upside, or we can have a second possibility of it continuing to the downside, This is what we're actually expecting for NAS 100 to do. This is what we're currently expecting for NAS 100 to do before giving us actually different moves to the upside or the downside. This is what we're currently firstly expecting for NAS 100 to do, and we're currently running a few profits on NAS 100, and I'm actually expecting to actually grow this account until probably 6k profits before I actually close my day with the profits. This is what I'm actually expecting. I'm actually expecting to close NAS 100 on a 6k profit. I don't know why I keep on saying high amounts, because I'm not yet planning for high amounts, but actually I am planning for higher amounts. But for now, this is just a scalp trade or scalp entry, so we can't expect much more profit on a scalp. Yes, we can expect much more profits on a scalp only if we have increased our lot size. That's where we can confidently say that we are expecting much higher profits, or rather much higher amounts on certain trades, while using a higher lot size on a scalp trades. So actually the market is trying to build up another candlestick, which will be at this point here, which will just be here before shooting to the downside. Or it can actually just continue from here, build a candlestick, continue from here, and then go to the downside. So these are the two possibilities which we have of a candlestick build up here and here on NAS 100. But as you can see, it's rejecting and reversing at our level which we've just placed right now, and then it's just going to shoot to the downside and continue giving us those beautiful sell opportunities, guys. Those sells. And I also sent this trade in our free signals group and as well on our VIP group. Remember, guys, that we only trade one signal on the VIP or on the free signals group a week. Only send out one signal a week on the free signals group, but however on the VIP group we send signals almost each and every day whenever we analyze or whenever we decide to take trades. So this is what I'm actually planning to see on NAS 100 before any possible moves to any direction. I'm actually expecting it to reach our point, or rather our final take profit target, which is just here. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, which is just here, before either continuing to the upside or continuing to the downside. So be sure to watch our NAS 100 video which we've just uploaded. Our video will give you depth details on how we actually managed to catch this trade, or how we managed to actually see this trade. As I said guys, the market will reverse at this point here before continuing to the downside. It will create another candlestick after rejecting at this point, which is just did right now, which that's what just happened right now. So I can see that this level is no longer being considered as a rejection level where the market will come and reject here. So we'll just have to remove this level because the market is, or let me actually leave it for now, because the market might have second thoughts on deciding on whether to continue to that level, test that level before continuing to the downside. So we're still on those profits guys. Just have to be patient with the market and see what it actually has for us before we can make any further decisions on whether closing or anything. So this is what I'm actually experiencing on NASDAQ. Okay, so it seems to like break this level, which we were expecting it to be a reversal level, coming to test this one. So possibly and probably this one will be, or rather will act as a second rejection level, whereby the market will reverse here, come back here, retest at this level here before continuing to the downside. Okay, for now let's leave the market, we'll come back later. And we are back again. We're currently having a retest currently at a different level, which I actually predicted that this market will either reverse at this level here or this level here, but however it decided to break both levels and reject, or rather reverse above our level, which is just here. And remember guys, the comeback is always stronger, which is what we are actually expecting for NAS 100 to do, to give us a stronger comeback. So I think for now we'll just have to move our level from here and put it here, but I think it's fine where it is because the market might try again to do that. But for now let's remove the one which we have currently because it has been broken. So meaning that after it has been broken, the market will shoot to the downside. So this is what we're currently expecting for NAS 100 to do. We are actually still expecting it to go to the downside and give us much more stronger moves to the downside. And I possibly feel and think that the market will break our level here, as it has just given us confirmation by creating a reversal here at this point here, a reversal. So I personally believe, I highly believe that the market will actually shoot to the downside and give us those beautiful profits. But however, we are on a down, on a drawdown of 4,000, or rather 3,000, 4,000 between there, because we're currently running on a profit of 5k profits. But right now we're on a drawdown. But however, we are expecting NAS 100 to give us those beautiful sell positions. We are still expected that NAS 100 will give us those beautiful sell movements to the downside before giving us any further moves, before giving us any further directions. So this is what I'm seeing and expecting for NAS 100 to do, as it just reversed at this point here. So I'm just waiting for it to come to the downside. Wow, this is what I actually saw. I actually thought that the market will reverse here and create a second candlestick here, but however it decided to break our level, reverse there, and create our candlestick just below our level. So let's just see and wait. Let's just wait and see what the market has for us. For now, let's jump out of the market. We'll come back later and see what the market has done for us. And we're back again, guys. Oh, this is what we are actually having. Let me see, 30. Oh guys, we're currently having a drawdown of all the profits right now, and coming back to the entry points. We're currently at the entry point right now. I think that's where the market wants to reverse before continuing to the downside, before giving us beautiful moves. But however, this is what we are actually expecting for NASDAQ 100 to do for us. This is what we're currently expecting for the market to do. And this is just a sure lesson, guys, that whenever you have running trades open, be sure to always put stop loss above your profit to avoid such market behaviors, to avoid such market rejections and or reversals. So do make sure to put your stop loss above profits each time you have a running trade, as this acts as a huge lesson in letting you guys see and know that whenever you have a running position or running positions on certain trades, be sure to put stop loss above profits. But however, on this trade we are still expecting and actually expecting for NASDAQ to move to this level here, if not this level here. This is what we are still expecting for NASDAQ 100 to do. But for now, let's jump out of the charts. We'll come back later and see what the market has for us. And we're back again, guys. Let me just see, we're currently having a bit of a reversal to this point here, to our actual entry point. So this is what we're currently having. So we're currently on a loss right now. I think we had an early trade, or rather a late trade on NASDAQ 100. But however, if the market does come to this point here, I'll actually plan on closing all trades, reanalyze and bring back the account into its positions. But now let me just close a few trades, because I can see that the account is not performing beautiful right now. This is actually a lesson to all of us, that whenever you have running positions or trades on, always put your stop loss in order for you to protect your account and the profits which you are running. And again, never enter a late trade unless that trade is going into profits. If the trade, your late trade goes into profits, that's where you can actually put more positions and put more stop loss above profits. But however, we do not condone or recommend that that anyone enter late entries, as it will charge your money quickly. So be sure to make sure that your entries are entry points whereby you expect the market to not reverse. But however, if the market does come back to this point here, I'll actually plan on closing more trades. Or if the market does actually take us to a loss of probably 2.2, we'll make, let me just close. So I'll just have to reanalyze and take more further entry points, and take I'll just have to leave these trades running, and we'll see what the market has for us. But however, if the market does reverse here, I'll actually plan on adding more trades to actually bring back the account to its normal price, or rather normal equity or balance. So if the market does reject at that level, this level here, which is just rejecting right now and reversing, I think that's what the market wanted us to do, to close a few profits before coming back to the downside. But however, if the market does do that, I'll simply add more trades or sell trades going to the downside to actually bring back the account, even though we don't make that much profits. But however, as long as we have made back our account balance. But if the market does reverse from here and continues to this point here, I'll simply close all my running positions and reanalyze and open more entry points, whether on a buy or a sell, I'll just have to reanalyze and do all that. Otherwise, this is all from me, FX Major, a mentor, signing out. I hope this video has been a good lesson to you guys in knowing and identifying good entry points and knowing where to put stop losses and enter good entry points. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational content, which we are about to upload weekly, daily, and possibly every now and then, which will be of help to you guys in understanding more about this financial market, or rather forex in general. So be sure to subscribe to our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, and do not miss out on anything that we are about to upload or update each time we upload. So be sure to subscribe, and I hope this video has been a good lesson to you guys in understanding in depth about stop losses, good entry points, etc. This is all from me, FX Major, with much love, signing out.